Welcome back to Dilian Solutions. Today, in our second IT tutorial, we're exploring the various types of software that power our digital world. First, system software. This is the foundation that runs your device and manages hardware. Examples include Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. Without it, no device can operate. Application software helps humans perform specific tasks. Think of the apps you use daily, like WhatsApp for messaging, YouTube for streaming, or Excel for calculations. Business or enterprise software runs entire organizations. Systems like ERPs for operations and CRMs for customer management handle things like supermarket stock or airline bookings. Embedded software is hidden inside machines. It controls your washing machine's water level, your car's engine, and even the elevator you ride. Industrial software controls factories and automation. It's behind the robots assembling cars and the systems managing power plants and oil refineries. Cloud software runs on the internet rather than your device. Services like Google Drive, Gmail, and Netflix allow you to access data and entertainment from anywhere. AI software thinks, learns, and predicts. It's responsible for ChatGPT, face recognition on your phone, and the recommendation systems on YouTube and Google Maps. Security software protects systems and data from antivirus and firewalls to the encryption that keeps your online banking and ATMs secure. Networking software connects the world. It includes router firmware and server operating systems that manage the flow of data across the internet and Wi-Fi. Real-time software must respond instantly. It's critical for air traffic control, medical monitoring in ICUs, and high-speed stock trading systems. Database software stores the world's data. Systems like SQL Server and Oracle manage bank accounts, hospital records, and government databases. Web software runs the sites we visit daily. This includes e-commerce platforms like Amazon, online tax portals, and education platforms. Let's see how these work together when buying a coffee. The POS machine uses order software, while embedded software prepares the drink. Payment software processes your card. The cloud syncs data and databases store the transaction, all protected by security software. Understanding these software types is key to the IT world. Thanks for watching Dilian Solutions. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.